Okay, so if you have a brand new PC, most likely you don't even have a Wi-Fi adapter, so make sure to buy one and integrate it into your device. So for the first method, go to the search bar, type settings, after that go to network and internet, scroll down until you find advanced network settings, scroll down, in the more settings section you'll find network reset, click it. From here you want to select restart or reset now. If your problem didn't fix, go to the search bar, type device manager, after that search for network adapters, and from here you want to search for your Wi-Fi adapter, which is this for me. Right click and click on enable device. Now if you have it enabled already, make sure to click on disable device, click yes. After that right click and then click enable device and make sure you restart your PC. Now if the problem still occurs, go to the search bar, go to settings. After that in the search bar type troubleshooters, click on troubleshoot settings, click on other troubleshooters. After that search for network and internet and then click run. Any technical issue or error should be solved automatically